Discover the untold stories of rare and beautiful birds. Welcome to Nayab Parinda.
At the break of dawn, Africa awakens, and among its treasures stands a bird of royalty, the gray-crowned crane.
Its golden crown, shimmering like sunlight, makes it one of the most striking birds in the world.
Every detail, from its silky feathers to its vivid throat pouch, speaks of elegance and majesty. Courtship is a performance, a graceful dance that strengthens bonds for life. Once bonded, gray-crowned cranes remain faithful companions for life. Masters of adaptation, they feed on seeds, grasses, and even small creatures, keeping ecosystems in balance. With each elegant stride, the gray-crowned crane embodies balance and grace. Both parents share the duty of raising their chicks, guiding them safely across the marshes. Step by step, the young learn survival skills from their devoted guardians. When they take to the sky, their flight is as majestic as their dance.
The gray-crowned crane is more than beauty. It is a guardian of wetlands, living in harmony with Africa's wildlife.
Yet their future is uncertain. Expanding farms and loss of wetlands threaten their survival. Today, this jewel of Africa is listed as endangered, its numbers falling each year.
But there is hope. Conservation efforts and community care offer a chance for the cranes to thrive once more.
The gray-crowned crane, a dancer of the wild, a symbol of loyalty, and a crown jewel of Africa's skies.
Thank you for watching Nayab Parinda, where rare birds find their story.